Sonny, can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Thank you.
क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? ये सब क्या कर रहा है तू?
Maya, can you say hi? Stop pinching. Stop. What do you want? Yeah, you come here. Ooh. Stop. Yeah, step up.
Halo, tabakan naik.
Halo.
Halo, tabakan naik.
See, and that is our signal for seeing a hawk, and she automatically looked up. Good girl, princess. Yeah, you're looking for it, huh? It's not there, but good reaction time.
Mom! 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 Mom!
La cucaracha, la cucaracha, la cucaracha. Yo bailo. Yo bailo. Hello. Enzo. Enzo.
So my nose is healing quite nicely, and as you notice, we have AJ on my shoulder. So a lot of people are asking why I would continue to put him on my shoulder if he's bitten my face before. And the answer to that is I keep him on my shoulder because basically I can't show him that I'm afraid of him. If I show him that I'm afraid of him, he's going to continue that behavior, right? Yeah, so we don't want that.
Good boy. You gotta put it away. Put it away. I don't want it. Yeah, put it away. Good boy. Put it away. Put it away. Yeah, you gotta put it away. Good boy. Put it away. Come on. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, put it away. Good boy. Put it away. No.
Step up. Come on. Come on. So this is a dangerous situation. Sam is very overexcited. Now if I can just get him to step up without latching onto my arm, that would be wonderful. Come on, Sam, step up. So I can't pull away because if I pull away right now, he's going to bite into my arm. But obviously I want him off of this cage. Come on, Sam. So he looks excited right now and he looks happy, but he's not. You can tell by his stiff body language that he's very stressed. Come on, bud. It's all right. That's a boy. Good boy, Sam. All right, we'll get him back to his cage. Good job. Here, step off. Good boy, Sam. Go to bed. Very good. Good boy. Thank you. That's a boy. There we are. So that's how we get a crazy cockatoo into his cage without getting bitten.
Hey, can you make that one weird noise I like? Hi. No, you can't climb on those. I know you love them. Hi. Where do you think you're going? Oh, search the air with your foot. Oh gosh. Can you say grape? Grape. Yeah, good job. Except you need to learn to say the G. Get a grape. Yeah, grape.